and good morning to the best ever
Agency team, yes! Welcome to our 3-year branches. It's good to see everyone. Ayan, naggaganda, naggwagwapuan.
Kapatid, it's always a pleasure to see all of our branches gathered together, of course, to celebrate our success for the first half of
Oo
the
nga.
year.
Welcome to our branches assembly. We're doing it here at the 22nd floor of the GT Towers.
We are very excited for today's assembly. Bakit? Dahil ang dami-dami nating inline topics, ang dami nating gustong ipakita, ma-showcase na talagang for this particular year, 2024, this is a breakthrough year for AXA Agency. Be specific, ano yung areas of improvement niya? Baka hindi niya naiintindihan sa negosyong ito, kailangan niyang mag-isip na dapat nagnenegosyo ko. Mayroon akong sariling resources na dapat ginagamit ko as a unit head. Now, what you will do, you translate it into your thinking. Pag-iisipan mo as a branch head, paano ko siya matutulungan?
Pag humingi kayo ng business plan, kailangan marunong kayong gumawa ng business plan. Don't worry about consolidation. It's going to be okay. You always have to remember, you have a staff who takes care of all these businesses. So those are the things that you need to do. That's the detail na of your action plan.
Maraming salamat po to my Manila AXA team because really, this is not gonna be possible without you, my dear friends. Simple lang ang request ko. As we move forward, let's continue to break through. Let's continue to find ways of breaking through. Whether we do it via PDI, whether we do it via recruits, let's do it also definitely via active advisor because that's what we want to do.
We need to bring back the apat-dapat culture and even the AXA Prime culture. And how do we do that? By focusing on the training, development, and excellence of our distributors, and of course, by habit through habit formation. Breakthrough! Dugong bughaw! Dugong palaban! Laban AXA! Patuloy ang laban Fistmill!
Ang theme natin is breakthrough. Because at the end of the day, my vision and this vision will continue is that we want to be able to help you double your business in 3 to 5 years. And before anything else, while you are listening to what I'm saying, you think about a few things. People are not afraid of hard work. There's a lot of discussions, there's a lot of talk that the new generation, they're kind of lazy, they're not engaged, blah, blah, blah. But ultimately, we can only say that, pwede lang natin sabihin yun with conviction if we show them how they will be successful in the first place. And if we allow them not to attend training, the most basic of things, we are helping them fail. Thank you very much, everybody. I hope you have a great day today.
I don't have anything to say. I already heard what Ayman says, and I underwrite it 100%. Just say hi. I mean, that's all I want to say. Hi, thank you. Nice to see you all. Thank you. Enjoy the day. Ciao, ciao.
I just want to say first things, big thank you. You are starting 2024 an excellent year. Expecting that the second half of the year will be even better than we have done on the first half. So very well done. So happy to see you today and have a really good session for the last 2 days. Thank you.
So you are the real ambassador. Thank you for a lot of activity that you are doing, and you are showing AXA as an image. You are really an image to AXA everywhere. So again, thank you guys. You are doing great. Thank you so much. Keep the good work and engage. Thank you.